Hi.
Huh?
What are you guys doing?
Tracking a boat and a whole bunch of dirt. That's rust, man.
I can see a pile of Datsun right here.
Oh yeah. Maybe.
Looks like Lynn has the fun task of extracting.
Oh, it's going.
A bolt. Oh, looks like we're spinning now. Try and get this fender off. Something's happening.
Oh.
It snapped. Story of real life. That is the story of this car.
Oh god. So is somebody fixing all these broken bolts?
So, I guess you can take it off now, right? Since it snapped.
Should be.
Oh wait, the top part.
Wait, there's one more bolt up here.
Yeah.
I just want to get the bust out.
Look at all the dust. Datsun dust. We'll ship it out to you. $5 a bottle. Yay. The gasket.
There you go. Oh wait, what's that? There's so much dirt just coming out of that hose.
There it is. Yeah, nice little collection of crap right there. It's just dirt.
Oh, that's a lot of dirt. Well, that's why it rusted out, because all the moisture is just stuck in there. Well,
That's how it be, Lynn.
sorry, excuse me. Look, back to the earth.
That's really convenient to have that.
Hey, we can fill this up in no time.
Well, you know, at least it looks pretty good underneath. Except probably for that little corner. That's alright.
It'll be fine. Oh, this is broken from the inside?
Alright, what's next?
Take out the doors. The seats on.
Seats.
Oh, it's really not bad.
Yeah, that's fine right here.
It's just getting out, extracting all these broken bolts. That's gonna be fun.
So you like probably grab on the nose, huh? Maybe.
I just feel like you're so stuck in there.
Yeah.
Man, we do need a shop vac though, with all this.
It will help. I guess you could try using the one Sam has.
The one that sucks.
It doesn't suck.
The one that doesn't suck, because it sucks. Never seen it.
It's that little orange thing he had at my house that we never used.
No, I think we tried using it once and it didn't work. It's like we got a whole pit crew here, huh? So taking off the doors is next. Everything looks good so far? Nothing's gonna snap? No broken bolts yet. Alright, what's under the carpet?
A penny. Herbal dental gel. Peppermint.
What's that? Chapstick?
From the 70s.
Okay, what's under this little piece of cardboard?
They don't want to touch this.
Expiration date on this?
Here, I got some. Here. Yeah, you touch it.
Go ahead, sir. You know what?
Still got floorboards. It's right there.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. That's a test. Oh, there's more. Oh wait, that's a sound deadening. So you don't even need to use dry ice to get it off.
Yeah, because all
Yeah.
surface rust.
This is solid.
Don't punch it too hard.
You say that. I don't know
punch
if
it too hard.
it's actually solid.
Yeah.
You want to know what's not solid though? Is this?
Come on, man. Don't be showing them that.
We gotta show them what we're gonna fix, right?
Yeah.
You can see daylight through it.
Hey, can you see sunlight through there?
Yeah.
Of course you can. Oh man.
What else we got? Oh, there's a hole there.
Dude, that's one heel toe away from yapping yapping.
Well,
How
I've never seen that before.
how is there dirt on the roof?
Okay, might as well take the headliner off.
Yeah, it's trash.
The headliner's like all wet and gross.
Take it off.
It's really weird how the seat is bolted on the bottom of the car.
How you do it in the 70s.
But my Z isn't like that.
Nice.
Older than you.
Okay. So does a 240Z do this?
Go bye-bye.
Alright, ready to pull out the Z?
Mostly out. And you're out. Just stuck on the carpet. I'm alright, yes.
Screw the carpet. There you go.
Nice. Let's go that way.
Alright.
Got the seats out.
Now to do the rear seats.
This thing just pops right out, so.
I don't think it was ever bolted in.
I'm like, they just kind of like held in by like bullshit clips. I don't know. Oh. There's the back seat.
Okay, so there's that.
Everything's like surface rust slash, I don't know,
Dirt.
dirt. Oh, it sounds bad. Ugh.
I might catch something worse than the C virus.
If you can survive this, you're you're good.
How's this come out?
Just pull it.
Oh, it's bolted on right here.
Oh, it's actually bolted on.
Are you serious? They're just Phillips.
Phillips suck.
Not
'cause
even a 10.
They always round out. Stupid car.
Oh, here's the Phillips.
Try it.
They look already rounded out too. Oh, good.
Like this is good for like in-home shit.
Yeah.
Well, I guess the car is not supposed to get crusty.
I just dropped a bolt in this hole.
Out of all the places you could have put the bolt, is fuck. Oh my god. All right.
It's okay, we don't need that anyway.
He won't see this.
Come on.
These seatbelts look like junk. I don't know if you even like get new ones or whatever, or just get harnesses.
I don't think he even plans on having a back seat.
Well, I'm talking about just seatbelts in general, because these are like 50 years old.
I wouldn't trust him.
This car's half a century old. It just sounds weird to say it like that, huh?
Yes.
Half a century?
And this screw is stripped. Alright. So I guess we have to get the Dremel out. Cut a slot in it.
Next to the gas tank? Yep. No, that's fine. Gas tank's right behind the seat. If you guys didn't know.
Yeah, it's literally inside the trunk. It's a weird thing. Alright, let me get the Dremel.
Looks like it's turning, huh?
It's turning. Very slowly.
Alright, looks like we'll be able to pull the seat out. Yeah.
Some cardboard.
Not gonna be using this anymore.
Okay, time to rip off this ugly roof liner. See what's under here.
There shouldn't be anything under there. Good noises.
Oh, that's weird. It's like a bar here.
Huh.
Well, either way, we're not going to be reusing this headliner. Oh.
Insulation.
Okay, so that is most of the headliner off. And it's kind of rusty up here too. That explains all the dirt that was falling off as I was taking up the headliner. And then it also has these weird bars up here. I guess it helped hold up the headliner. But I've never seen it before. Have you?
Nah. Must be an old Datsun thing. No, I don't think ours have that.
No, no, it doesn't have that. Okay. I think the next step is just me taking all this trash and then seeing how it looks.
Get a vacuum it too.
Yeah. Now I guess we can take out the seat belts. But that's most of the interior out. Alright, so we finished the vacuuming up the interior. And it looks not too bad, right?
Sure. If
Sure.
you don't own it.
Well, we found a couple of holes. There's one there. There's one here. And then he's sitting on one.
No, there's one right here.
And there's one there.
There's one right here.
Some over there.
Am I sitting on one?
I don't think that's a rust hole, but...
Oh, there's one right here. Oh, I just made that one.
Here, you wanted to give it a good old screwdriver test?
Check. Where? Right here?
Anywhere?
Nice.
Oh. Okay, it's still solid. Solid enough. But no, I think we should actually replace these floors.
Give it a good elbow drop.
TKO?
We sat in this car.
Good times about it too.
So you're gonna replace both floors?
Kind of have to at this point.
Yeah, probably patch this thing up somehow, because I don't think they actually make this back part. And yeah, a couple of rust repairs
On the roof.
on the roof. Yeah, it's not like,
That's surface rust.
yeah, it's more like surface rust. I think that should be fine. Just give it some reformer, it'd be good. Yeah, weird thing is that's the gas tank right there.
Factory.
So weird. Alright, so last part we're going to be taking off for tonight will be the trunk. I just saw him snap this bolt.
Hey, here's one for sale. $500.
Who wants to buy this trunk? Did you snap that one too?
No, no.
Okay.
It's
No.
fine, yep.
You good?
It's like
Oh.
all this wiring in here too.
Probably one of yours.
Part shelf building up, huh? Okay, Okay, I guess that wraps up today's shop day. I think we did pretty good. This is about 3 or 4 hours worth of work. We've already made a pretty big mess inside here. So, any last words?
We got Datsun 510C for sale. We got Datsun 510 trunk for sale. Big offer at
L20 for sale.
Hey, wheels for sale?
Oh, yeah, the wheels. Wheels for sale.
Yeah, pretty much everything is for sale.
If anyone is in Washington, you know who to hit up.
Link Instagram to this guy. Or he hit us up too, I guess.
Yeah, if you guys want something, let us know. So, yeah, that's gonna be it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.